be doing bubble sort, and the bubble sort algorithm. We will compare each pair's elements in the array, starting from beginning, swap if first element this will allow us and eventually the entire array will be stored. The idea is very simple. We can go for a visual representation. So let's say with 4, 2, 1, 3, and then we have 5. What happens is that you would actually compare the first two elements. And since 4 is greater than 2, you will actually perform the swap. So you have 4, 2, 3, and 5. And next, you will continue swap between these two. And you will have 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. And if you continue go further, you have 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. And the next iteration, you will compare 4 and 5. And since 4 is smaller than 5, nothing will be done over here, and it will remain the same. And next, you continue. And now, we'll actually compare this two, and now since 2 is greater than 1, we will swap them. But at the same time, you don't have to check 5 anymore. 5 can be blocked out. So there's no need for you to check all the pairs because you know the last position is definitely correct. So the next one to check is actually these two elements. And you would have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, and 5. And you can see that our elements are already sorted, but checks are still being done. So this place is actually blocked out. So there's no need for you to check the last element anymore. And then you proceed on to do the same thing. The first two elements again. So you can see you're actually checking it multiple times to ensure that all the elements are actually completed in terms of checking. So you can see that first you begin with the first two pairs, second two pairs, and then the third pair, and then the last pair. And once you know they've gone through the first iteration, the last element will definitely be sorted. Right? It will definitely be the largest element that will go to the top. So that's iteration 1. And this is iteration 2. Yeah, that's all set. So we'll continue doing this, and eventually the entire elements will be sorted. So now we can code. Great. And we'll start. From 0, and we'll continue all the way till the last element. And also, if let's say the first I tells us the I remember first number, first now J, and second number. This one, and you check. If the first number is greater than the second number, you perform the swap. So you perform the swap and you're done. And this will continue all the way to the end. In the end, you would have numbers that are already all swapped. We're going to try this out. Test out this. So we can test this out now. As you can see, it's been swapped correctly. And J basically takes the number, and if the number is greater than the second number, you will just bubble the first number all the way to the top, and then in the end you return it. And that is how we do the bubble swap. Thank you.